Hey everyone, it's Antisar from the Heartbreak Academy, recording here in my kitchen. And I am here to give you the details on how to get through a breakup. Breakups, they're brutal. One moment you're fine, the next it feels like the world is crashing down. But listen, I promise you, you are going to get through this. And today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to heal step by step so you can come out of this feeling even stronger than before. Plus, if you need extra support, I've got a free ebook. It's called Survival Guide for a Broken Heart. And I have some self love affirmations, 10 to be exact, to help you through this. So I'll share how to grab them in just a bit. So stay with me, don't you dare go. So, the first mistake we make after a breakup is trying to get over it too fast. But healing doesn't work like that. I know my previous video was about healing fast and the 5 secrets. If you really want to go there are some hacks to speed up the process. But if you don't go through the emotions fully, they will come back even stronger. So you don't want to heal too fast. Now, what does processing the emotions looks like? First of all, let yourself cry. Vent to a trusted friend and write down how you feel, but don't send it to your ex. Pain is like a wave, it comes, but it always passes. And every time you let yourself feel it, you are actually letting go. Now, step two is detox from your ex. I already said it on many occasions, and I know this one is hard, but listen, if you keep checking their socials or rereading old texts or keeping their hoodie, just in case, you are dragging out your pain. So, what you're going to do instead is mute them on social media because you don't need that mental torture and delete their number or at least rename it to do not text and remove reminders because if it's hurting you, you better put it away. And if it's making you suffer, it's not helping you heal. The space you create by detoxing from your ex is really valuable. So, and that's the space where you come back to life. And if you have kids with them, if you have kids together, like in my situation, then keep the communication minimal and only about the kids. Now, step three is rebuild yourself. After breakup, it's easy to feel like you lost a part of yourself. But here's the truth. You didn't lose you. You're still here. But now what? What are you going to do? It's time to reconnect with the person you were before them. Or better yet, create a version that's even stronger than you were before. Get back to what you love. Try new things like a new hobby, a solo trip. And very important, move your body. Exercise, dance, walk, anything to shift your energy. And if you're struggling with self doubt or low self esteem, I've got something for you. I created 10 self love affirmations and they're totally free. They're just 2 pages. You can print them or use on your iPad or journal them in a journal. Write them in the journal. And these will help you reprogram those negative thoughts so you can start feeling confident again and shift that mindset. So I will put the link in the description box so you can just download them for free. If this breakup has you feeling lost, I want to help. I put together a free survival guide for a broken heart with simple, powerful steps to help you heal. And they are exactly the steps I took to heal my broken heart. And that was about 5 years ago. So just click the link in the description box below and get them for free. Because, girl, you deserve to heal fully. Now, step 4 is shift your mindset. What is the hardest part of a breakup? The mental loops, the what ifs, the why wasn't I enough, and maybe they'll come back. But listen, they are not your person, because your person would never make you feel this way. So change the questions you ask yourself from why did they leave to what is this teaching me? And change the question from how do I make them miss me to how do I love myself deeper? I mean, your mind is powerful, and when you shift your focus to your growth and to you instead of their absence, that's when real healing begins. This was a difficult one for me because I was constantly going over it in my mind and like, what could I have done? Where did it go wrong? But I was just making myself crazy. And then I just switched it to focusing on me. And that really did wonders. Now, last but not least, fall in love with your life. The best revenge after a breakup? A life so good, you're too busy to think about them. But don't do it for revenge, as in for them, but do it for you. So create new goals, whether they're career goals, fitness goals, personal goals. Just level up, girl. And deepen your friendships. Who are the persons around you who stood by you? Do fun things together. And start loving yourself again. Because the truth is, the love you were searching for in them, you can give that to yourself. And once you do, you won't just get through this breakup, you will thrive. And I truly believe that once you learn to love yourself, you will attract a much better love. And because basically, the person you attract is a reflection of you. So the more you love yourself, the more the person will love you. Not that you need it, because you have enough love on itself. But I think that's how it works. Now, I know it doesn't feel like it now, but one day soon, you're going to wake up. And this pain won't be there anymore. And in its place, strength, growth, and a version of you that's even more incredible than before. So if this video helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more, and don't forget, grab your free survival guide for a broken heart and or my self-love affirmations in the description box below. And let me know in the comments, what's one thing helping you heal right now? Okay, sending you all the love, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.
Brush my teeth. Yes, sir. I spit it out. I go, and then I lean forward. I pause. I tell myself, pretty.